Hi, and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word particular. So let's take a look at the script first of all and think about how we need to say this word. We've got 4 syllables, that's the first thing to note. We've got a division into 4 chunks, and you can see from that mark before the t that we stress the tick component, which is the second syllable of the word. So particular, tick is the strong part. So thinking about the first syllable then, we've got that p sound, so you must bring both lips close together for that sound, and then the weak vowel, so it's p, p. Then we've got tick, tick, which starts with that t, t, t sound, short vowel, and then that k. So we've got a puff of air coming out. So tick is quite an airy consonant, really. There's lots of air puffing out to the mouth. Then we've got y. This is the part of the word that usually causes problems for people if they are reading it as it is normally written. The y sound often gets lost. So just be aware of that, the y, particular. And then we've got that final l. If you've seen some of the other videos I've made, you hopefully will remember that that little r at the end is our linking r, which only really gets activated if the following word begins with a vowel. In terms of, let's call it a standard English accent from the UK. However, there is a multitude of accents out there which will deal with this R sound differently. So please be aware of that. You will definitely hear many native speakers of English pronouncing this much more strongly than I am here. So running it all through together again, we've got, remember, stress syllable 2, particular, particular. And as you can see, now that we're looking at the orthographic version, there's no letter Y or anything in the middle that gives you a clue about that y sound. And so quite often people might say things like particular. I would understand what you meant if you said that, but it would sound a little peculiar to me as well. So remember the y, that's the top tip. Particular, y. Subscribe, like, comment and share, of course, to support the channel. Check out the homepage so that you can look at the other playlists that are available. Thanks for watching and have a great day.